Home gardening hacks, clever tricks to improve your garden. Welcome to Home Gardening Hacks, where we share clever tricks to improve your garden and make your gardening experience more enjoyable. Our first hack is all about soil quality. Did you know that coffee grounds make a great addition to your soil? They add nutrients and help to retain moisture. Simply sprinkle them around the base of your plants, or mix them into the soil when planting. Next up, we have a watering hack. Don't throw away your old plastic bottles. Instead, poke some holes in them and use them as a DIY watering can. Aeration is important for healthy root growth. Use a fork to gently poke holes in the soil, or invest in a garden fork for larger areas. Pests can be a real nuisance in the garden. Crushed eggshells are a natural way to deter slugs and snails from eating your plants. Finally, protect your seedlings with paper cups. Simply cut off the bottom of the cup and place it over the seedling. This will protect it from wind and pests. And there you have it, our top home gardening hacks to improve your garden. Happy gardening!